all these Ivy League schools, right? How do I know which one is for me, which one I should apply to?
Well, I think there are many things to consider, right? To find out which Ivy League school is the right fit for you, there are several rankings available online. Most of them might have a couple of variations, but usually the top would be Harvard, Princeton, and Yale being in the top three. So go and do your research, find out what each school offers. Bearing in mind that the rankings are subjective, so you really need to do your research. And sometimes it does matter which school you go to because that might influence employers later on. It might influence graduate schools or even the general public, right? But there are four things that you can do when it comes to deciding which Ivy League school is the best fit for you. You can look into the setting, look into the academic programs and requirements, and you can also look at the size and the campus culture. So very often these are the things that candidates will look at when it comes to deciding which Ivy League school they want to apply to.